Jesus.
Ooh, that's hot, isn't it? You get a little suntan after that. Some nice color too. That's why I don't have beard. Alright, got some fried rice for you guys. Everybody likes rice, right? Oh, thank you very much. So, wait, somebody said it was your birthday.
Who said?
Whose birthday was it?
Look.
Birthday was it?
Hers is the most recent.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You get a free egg roll.
Oh, really? Okay.
She just turned 20.
Wow.
I'm sorry. I'm a little corny. I don't know.
Dang.
Who can catch? I know somebody at the table can catch.
He can catch.
Can you?
He can catch, right?
Can you?
Yeah.
Alright, not an egg. Not an egg. Maybe in my pocket though. Whoa, watch out now. Or my spatula. Hey, you guys don't mind eggs in your rice too, right? Everybody okay with eggs? How about some shells? You guys ever have crunchy fried rice before?
Oh.
Fried rice. Nah, you're not about to have it tonight either. Well, look what the gentleman told me to make for you ladies. Look at this. Isn't that sweet? Oh. He told me to make butt, though. I don't know. You're dirty. You're dirty. No, it's a heart. It's a heart. QPG. Alright, it's a family restaurant. Here, a little heartbeat. Give us some color for you guys. Or like a butt flap. It's working. I don't know what you're into over there. I can make a butterfly. I can make a butterfly. Anybody want to see one?
Make butterfly?
Butterfly.
Yeah.
I figured you catch on after the egg roll.
Man.
You're not as corny as I am. Hey, everybody at the table eats shrimp, right? Who does not? I'm asking because I'm going to throw it and you have to catch it with your mouth.
Oh no.
I'm going to just throw chicken at you then, right? Don't try to get out of it. Who can catch? I can catch.
He can catch.
Can you catch?
Yeah, I'm telling you.
You can catch with your hands too, I know. You can catch with your hands, I know you can. Would you like to try to catch a bowl of rice? Want to work with me?
A bowl?
A bowl of rice?
Alright.
He's gonna throw a bowl.
Bowl of rice. Want to work with me? Huh? Or the girl, you could catch. I want your hands right there.
Well, there, please.
You work with me?
Oh, Lord.
I'm gonna throw it right here. My hands are right here. Work with me, okay?
Is it videotaping, Lish?
Yeah.
Okay.
On the count of 3. Okay? 1, 2. Trust me?
Yeah.
1, 2. Hey yo. Oh, you look a little hungry too. I got you. There you go. That's a very nice catch.
Thank you.
Wait, somebody else said they could catch, right? Was that you? Who was that?
Oh, she said he could.
You know what? Oh! I was distracted. I was distracted, guys. Let me pass these out. My first time. You don't mind waiting. I'm gonna have another rice after you.